This is the revolutionary Tefal Durabase non-stick pan. It has a thick porcelain enamel coat, which is very hard and very easy to clean. So the Tefal Durabase pan always looks as good on the outside.
We are interrupting our programs on BBC One Wales for our emergency broadcast. Please hang tight. This is our emergency broadcast from BBC One Wales. At 5:16 p.m. British Summer Time, a unknown terrorist group exploded a bomb near the base of Elizabeth Tower. The Houses of Parliament have been evacuated. Luckily no one was killed during the explosions, but a few British policemen were harmed, but with minor injuries. Thank you for your time. We will now go back to our normal programs.